Sadhu or Magrin Sadhu. I will get a Buddha Sadhu. He's Buddha Sadhu. Not Buddha. Okay.
A gente tá brincando aqui, tá falando que primeiro a gente vai
dar um
harikata curto, aí a gente vai tomar prachada e ir lá pra casa do outro Vrindavana, aí a gente ficou brincando, magrinho Sado. Aí ele falou, aí o outro Sado falou pra mim, aí não, ele tá bem, ele tá bem.
Okay. So today is we translate okay.
On the back then?
On the back translate.
Radha Krishna quer fazer? Posso fazer.
If you not listen Harikatha, you cannot digest the Vyastas Prasad. Then you have to
listen.
Harikatha, Harikirtan very important or not?
Precisar de tradução, pode sentar com o Radha Krishna para botar essa
So, in this in house also Mridanga there, no?
No, yes. We can bring this one.
This is good.
Belongs to Gopal.
How will you go? You have car or have you go?
My brother brought car, so we can go.
Okay. Not take too much time, just. So today is very super excellent auspicious day. That is called Hera Panchami. Hera means? Who knows Hera? What do you mean? Hera means to search. What did he say? Hera means search. Or Panchami means 5 days from the Ratha Yatra. 5 days from Ratha Yatra. So Ratha Yatra starts which day? Ditya. Ditya means second day from the new moon. And so Ditya Ratha Yatra. According to Vedic culture, Lord Jagannath is performing this Leela Ratha Yatra festival second day from the new moon. So that is called Ditya. So Ditya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, 6 days from the new moon. And so for this regard, today is called Hera Panchami. What did he say? Hera Panchami. Hera means to search. Who is searching? Lakshmi Devi. Because Krishna told to Lakshmi Devi, oh, I am very sick, my health is not good, so I have to change my climate. After Snan Yatra, Lord Jagannath, he becomes sick. And 14 days, Lord Jagannath, and inside the temple, that temple completely closed. And only staying one place. And only taking kada. Kada, understand? One kind of herbal medicine. That's like you are saying that, what is called? And herbal tea. And tea is, words is coming, then not good.
Herbal infusion.
Understand? And sometimes also, or is called giving some khichdi. Khichdi, understand? Hospital. And Indian caste system is there, one who is become very sick, and his stomach is not good, or fever, then giving khichdi. And who is taking khichdi? Those who are very sick and cannot digest anything, then that time Indian doctor saying, okay, you take khichdi. Understand? So Lord Jagannath, he became very sick. So for this regard, his servant, Daita, giving some, what is called? Herbal medicine, drinking this thing, or giving khichdi. Not 3 times, only 1 time. 1 time giving khichdi, midday, and morning fast, or also night time fast. Understand? Because Jagannath, he become very sick, high fever, and always what is called? Nose running, understand? So much water coming. So this is the sweet pastimes of Lord Jagannath. So after 14 days, then he is also free from sickness. But now his body is very weak. So for this regard, Jagannath, he told to Lakshmi Devi, that I had to go somewhere to change my climate. If you stay one place, then your mind will disturb or not. So what will do? Go some morning walk, very nice, beautiful climate, and oxygen will come, and especially go forest. The trees are giving so much oxygen. Or you can walk on the beach or on the, what is called, bank of the river. Every day you have to. Then fresh air will come. 90% you free from all kinds of diseases. If only just you morning walk. Doctors say every day have to morning walk. And your health is very good. And then you will not fat, or you are not also migraine. Understand? So this is. So now coming to Jagannath, now he is saying, I have to change my climate. But where he is going, he did not tell. Then Lakshmi Devi is thinking, oh, maybe and he will go Vrindavan. Understand? Because day and night Krishna cried for the Brajavasis. Understand? So maybe he will go Braj. So for this regard, Lakshmi Devi, she told, oh my husband, don't go alone. Why? Because you are very sick. Maybe you fell down. Who will take care of you? It is need one servant. Someone go with you. And so need one sevak. Well, who will go with me? Then such said, Baladev Prabhu told, I will go. I will take care of my brother. Baladev is a very strong body. Strong body. So Krishna told, okay, my brother can go with me. Then Lakshmi Devi is thinking, where you will go? Maybe both brother will go to Vrindavan. Understand? Where will go? So it is better to go another person. Lakshmi Devi is planning. She is controlling to Krishna. Who is control your house? Wife. Because all the key in her hands. Indian system this way. And male person just earning the money, and that money he is giving to wife. Or wife keeping in her. In safe place, that is called almari. So keys in the hand of wife. Braj language saying, Krishna is called Seth, or Srimati Radhika, she is called Sethani. What did he say? Sethani. Sethani understand? She is controlled. Said Sethani. So Lakshmi Devi, she is planning everything. And it is better, Subhadra, she can go. She can go. Krishna told, okay, my sister, she is good. Why Lakshmi Devi, she is sending to Subhadra? First, Lakshmi Devi, she told, I will go with you. But Krishna, no. I will not take you. First Krishna told, I will go alone. I will not take anyone. Alone is very nice. If you 1%, 2%, 3%, so many problems coming on now. One person going bathroom, another person going this way, wait. Or if I stay alone, just to first come. This is good or not? If many person, you have to wait. This simple. For this Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he proceeded to Jagannath Puri to Vrindavan, and when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu arrived in Ramkaligam, that time Rup Sanatan met with him. Then Sanatana Goswami Pad told to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prabhu, this is not the process to go to Vrindavan. Vrindavan Jaiva Nahika Iha Paripati. But this is not the process to go to Vrindavan. Why? Because behind, inward behind, so many thousands of people. So they will also disturb to you. Disturb or not? When, oh Prabhu, you did not wait for me. You went this way, there. When you give Hari Katha, I did not attend your Hari Katha. The prasad is not this, many things. This is true or not? When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu proceed Jagannath Puri to Vrindavan, thousand people go. If many people will go, you have to think about them. Oh, Tirthapada coming or not? He properly take rest or not, otherwise he will be sick. Nice boy brahmachari, young brahmachari. Understand? So I have to take care. Or is he also sick? Just take him. This is wrong. So Sanatana Goswami told to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prabhu, this is not the process to go Vrindavan. Because many people are there. If you go Brajamandal Parikrama, alone, very quickly, 64, what is it called? 84, cross Brajamandal Parikrama. And if you with behind with you, many things also. Wait for them, that thing. Otherwise they will not happy. Oh, we came for you, but you did not wait for me. You gave Hari Katha, you that. This is not true. So now coming in this way, for this regard, Jagannath he told, no, I will go alone. And I just will take rest. Understand? And I cook myself and take rest. They simple or not? But some people also give some food and eat and sleep. And Lakshmi said, no. How possible to go alone? Lakshmi Devi first he told, I go with you. But I am your wife. And Krishna told, no, I will go alone. Krishna is very stubborn. No, I go alone. Then Lakshmi Devi said, no. You are very weak. So you fell down. This time who will take care of you? It is better someone go. Who will go? Then Baladev Prabhu spontaneously told, I will go. I will take care. Baladev is very strong body. Then Lakshmi Devi did not say anything. Baladev Prabhu is called Jet. You have to understand. Elder brother,
Elder brother.
elder brother. So India, elder brother-in-law. According to Vedic culture, wife cannot speak with the elder brother-in-law. That Sanskrit word they call Bhasur. Bhasur, elder brother-in-law. So Lakshmi Devi, okay, he is going. Baladev Prabhu told, I will go. Our elder brother is as like father also. Understand? So Lakshmi Devi, okay. So Baladev Prabhu can go. But Lakshmi Devi planning these things. Understand? Wife is thinking many things. Understand? Where is going, what is doing, why you come late, why you were there, everything is also. She is searching. Understand? Wife ladies don't think I am criticizing you. That is Vedic culture. And not Western culture. That is called Vedic culture. Understand? So one lady, so Lakshmi is thinking one lady, she have to come with Jagannath. Then who will go? Then Subhadra she told, I will go. Understand? She is very near dear of Krishna. Krishna's sister. Krishna so much love and affection with Subhadra. Understand? That is called also Srimad Bhagavatam discourse about Subhadra Haran Lila Katha is also there. Subhadra Haran Lila, understand? Arjun, he kidnapped Subhadra. That Katha is there, Srimad Bhagavatam. That little bit I tell to you, very nice, beautiful, sweet pastimes about Subhadra Haran Lila Katha. Ye Baladev Prabhu, he traveled. Then Baladev Prabhu, he came in Hastinapur. And that time Hastinapur, Baladev Prabhu, two main disciples. One is called Bhim, another Duryodhan. So, Baladev Prabhu, he was staying in the house of Duryodhan. Then Shakuni she told, hey Duryodhan, you serve to Baladev Prabhu. Then Duryodhan he very nicely served to Baladev Prabhu. Then Baladev Prabhu very happy. Then Baladev Prabhu asked Duryodhan, what do you want? I will give you any benediction to you. Then Duryodhan he told Gurudev, I want to marry with your sister Subhadra. Then Baladev Prabhu told, okay, no problem. But I have to take permission from my father and mother, Devaki and Vasudev. Because Subhadra, she is the daughter of Devaki. Because according to Vedic culture, if the marriage ceremony have to take permission from mother and father. Baladev Prabhu told, in my house I am all in all. Just one etiquette, take the permission from parents. So you think 90%, 90% confirm you marry with Subhadra. But Krishna Bhagavan or not. Krishna, he knows everything. Oh, Baladev Prabhu, he gave to, what is called? Gave the oath, vow to Duryodhan, Duryodhan and Subhadra can marry. Then Krishna is thinking, how possible my sister Subhadra, she will marry a stupid nonsense guy. Duryodhan is guardian. Stupid nonsense. Understand? So for this regard, Krishna, informed to Arjuna, "Hey Arjun, please come." And then Arjun came as like sannyasi form. Understand? And he was staying very close to the house of Krishna in Dwarkapuri. That time he is going. And Krishna is then one day Subhadra, she was playing with her girlfriends. Then Arjun came. And then Arjun has looked like sannyasi. And then Subhadra, she asked to Arjuna. Arjun now he is disguised of, look like sannyasi. This. Hey sannyasi, where you come from? That time Arjun, now he is disguised of sannyasi. He told, I am traveling everywhere. And I traveled many places. Then, have you seen Arjuna? Actually, Subhadra, from her birth, and she completely surrendered to Arjuna. She did not see Arjuna, but she saw the picture of Arjuna. So in her life, she is thinking that this life I have to surrender to Arjuna. Then Arjuna, you will my husband. So now coming this Subhadra, she asked to this sadhu. Which sadhu? Arjuna, now he is the disguise of sadhu. So Subhadra, she asked, hey sadhu, have you seen Arjuna? Because you are traveling. That time, Arjuna, he told, yes. And many times I met with Arjuna. Could you explain, glorify about Arjuna? How is his form? Just I keep his photo, but I did not see Arjuna. Subhadra, she told. So you met with Arjuna. Could you glorify about Arjuna? What is his quality? Then Arjuna, he told, Arjuna, his figure is very nice, but I did not see any his qualification. Arjuna has no qualification. And he the son of this. But I did not see any qualification. Little bit, Arjuna criticized to Arjuna. Arjuna criticized to Arjuna. Again, Subhadra become very angry. Oh, you criticize Arjuna. Then Subhadra, she took one knife. I will cut your tongue. Subhadra, she become very angry. Because Subhadra, who is your Istadeva? Arjuna. If he criticize to your Istadev, you will be angry or not? So Subhadra become very angry. I will cut your... He told Subhadra, Arjuna has no qualification. How possible? Then in the meantime, Krishna appeared. Krishna asked, hey, oh my darling sister, what happened? Why you are quarreling with this sadhu? You should not quarrel with the sadhu. That time Subhadra, she told, brother, listen, this sadhu, he traveled around the world, everywhere he is traveling. And he met with Arjuna. And he is saying, Arjuna has no qualification. So I am become very angry. I want to cut his tongue. Then Krishna embraced to Subhadra. Because very nice, darling sister. And then Subhadra, do you know who is this guy? Eh? He is not sannyasi. So who is he? Well, he is Arjun. Then Subhadra, very awesome. Then Subhadra ran away. Understand? Very nice, Leela. Achha. Now it is coming in this way. Here Baladev Prabhu. Now coming Baladev Prabhu, he turned back Hastinapur to Dwarikapuri. And Baladev Prabhu direct he met with Devaki and Vasudev, because Baladev Prabhu already took vow in front of Duryodhan. And this Subhadra, she have to marry with Duryodhan. And Krishna noticed. And generally Baladev Prabhu first meet with Krishna. Then he goes to Devaki and Vasudev. But now Krishna noticed, Baladev Prabhu did not meet with him, Mani Krishna. Baladev Prabhu directly is going to the house of the palace of Devaki and Vasudev. Then Krishna thinking maybe something happened. Then Krishna coming and hiding one place. What Devaki, Vasudev and Baladev, they are talking. Understand? Then Baladev Prabhu, he told to Devaki and Vasudev, I went in Hastinapur, and Duryodhana, he very nicely served to me. He is also my disciple. Understand? Very nice. And he is called Rajputra. Rajputra, understand? Dhritarashtra, he is king, and Duryodhana is the son of Dhritarashtra. Very nice. So, my sister Subhadra, she can marry with Duryodhana. Understand? So, Baladev Prabhu told, I already took vow and everything it is. Just I want to take permission from you. Then Devaki Vasudev told, hey Baladev, your idea is good. But have to discuss with Krishna. When Baladev Prabhu heard this Krishna, then Baladev Prabhu, he knows the Krishna will give permission or not. Then Baladev Prabhu, I have no need to take permission from Krishna. I am elder brother. Are you our parents? Whatever, this is no problem. Then Krishna appeared. Krishna asked, what you are talking? That time taking, Are Krishna, why you come here? Now I am talking with my parents. Devaki and Vasudev. The marriage ceremony should be with Duryodhana. Understand? Then Krishna is thinking, okay, we'll see. And Krishna did not say anything. Or Devaki Vasudev told, okay, we'll discuss tomorrow. This katha, because Baladev Prabhu, just you come from Hastinapur, so much your fatigueness. Understand? So we are discuss this subject about marriage ceremony of Subhadra. Then Krishna is thinking, okay, I'll do another Leela. Then Krishna came to Subhadra, told Subhadra and Arjuna, listen, tomorrow you do one another things. What you do? Arrange one very nice, beautiful chariot. Then Krishna told to Subhadra, listen, you have to, what is called, drive this chariot. Just Arjuna sit on the chariot and you drive. And according to the Vedic culture also, Subhadra, she is going to worship, what is called, some Devis, before marriage ceremony, and Indian, and Smartha, depends on the culture. Devi Puja, there. And then Subhadra is ready, and Krishna and arranged one very nice, beautiful chariot. When Subhadra is going to Devi, what is it called? Worship Devi, I name forget that Devi. Understand? Before marriage ceremony, just with the Devi Puja, take one ghee lamps and do all Devis. And are behind the temple of the Devi, Krishna arranged everything. Very nice, beautiful chariot. And when Subhadra is going to worship Devi, what is the name of Devi? I just forget. Kattayani, something Devi. Okay, some Devi. So that time, and so in behind Subhadra and some troops, Saina, because she is Rajkumari, she will not go alone. So Subhadra, she told to the armies, maybe 10-15 armies, okay, you stay here, now I am going to worship Devi. Then they are sitting. But Subhadra, she did not enter in the main temple of Devi. And she coming back, and where the chariot completely was ready, Krishna, Arjuna is there. And then Subhadra, very quickly, she jumped on the chariot. She jumped on the chariot. And then Arjuna hold her hand and put in the... Then Subhadra, she is very expert to driving the chariot. Then Subhadra, and what is it called? Riding. Then all the armies, they will say, yes, that sadhu, who you are saying here, announced that sadhu, kidnapped Princess Subhadra. Rani. Then, but very quickly, Subhadra, she is very expert, ride the chariot. Within couple minutes, the chariot completely disappeared. Their army, they return back, and their army, they inform to Baladev Prabhu. Then Baladev Prabhu become very angry. Oh, that guy, he was staying in our place, Sannyasi, he kidnapped my sister, Subhadra. Then Baladev Prabhu called and all his residents in Dwarakapuri and giving long lecture. We have to give punishment. That's all. Arjuna, he kidnapped my sister. And give lecture. And Baladev Prabhu so much influence to all the Dwarakavasi and armies. We have to give punishment to Arjuna. Then Krishna came. Krishna told, what happened? Why are we giving a long lecture? Are there many people here? What happened? Then Baladev Prabhu, he told that sannyasi, disguised sannyasi, Banda Sadhu, Arjuna, he kidnapped my sister. So we have to give punishment to Arjuna. Then Baladev Prabhu, Krishna told, okay, you gave all lecture? Yes, I've inspired all the armies, all the Dwarakavasi, they have to punishment to Arjuna. Then Baladev Krishna stood up, and Krishna very serious. Now Krishna told, ask to the armies, those who are following to chariot, Subhadra. Ask to the armies, who drove the chariot? That the army drove, they told, oh Subhadra, she drove the chariot. That means Subhadra, she has agreements to meet with Arjuna. That means she wants to marry with Arjuna. Well, yes. Then Krishna became very angry. Krishna told, okay, you are my elder brother. I give respect to you. Listen. My sister Subhadra, she is not animal beings. Not Pasu. They just you and arrange her marriage ceremony to any stupid nonsense guy. Are Duryodhan, he is stupid nonsense person. He put the fire in the house of Pandavas. You know this or not? Then Baladev Prabhu not speaking. Duryodhan, Dushasan, they give the poison to Bhim. You know this or not? Baladev Prabhu did not give answer. But this is true or wrong? So how possible this stupid nonsense culprit? He will marry with my sister Subhadra. If you marry someone, first to check his character. This is or not? Stupid nonsense. Not just marry anyhow. First you marry, check the person. This is the Vedic culture. Understand? Not just to marry. You see this person is good or not, good character or bad character. He has house or not. He has, what is called? Property or not, job or not. Indian Vedic culture. They first you would be good and marry, then mother, father, elder brother checking. Understand? And also, they are also checking that lady is good or not. Both also checking to each others. Both sides. You understand? This is the Vedic culture. Not just to marry. Vedic culture not this. Vedic culture have to check. This is very nice katha. Sometimes speaking time is over. Understand? One girl, she wants to marry with one very nice, beautiful young person. But that is the Vedic culture is there. And the mother, the mother's son's mother, which is called bridegroom. What is it called? Male. And so bridegroom mother came and in the house of bride. Yet not married. Just going to marriage ceremony. And that is called engaged. Understand? So, the mother of son asked to the bride, new, understand? Future bride, not now bride now. She asked, listen, my son now going to marry with you. Soon you will be our Putra Vadhu. Putra Vadhu, understand? Daughter-in-law. But I tell to you, who is saying? Mother-in-law. When you come in my house is a many system is there. If you agree, then you can marry with my son. There is no need. It's simple. Otherwise you marry, then you will say, oh, this I cannot follow these rules. Then big problem will come. So mother-in-law told the new bride, listen, in my house, all we are devotee. Understand? No onion, garlic, no even tea, bed tea, no any tea. Understand? Bed tea, understand? Very early in the morning, sleeping on the bed, bring tea, cha. In my house, no tea, no bed tea. Early in the morning, about 3:30, Mangalarti. You have to wake up. And prepare to come in the temple. Listen very carefully. Who is saying? Mother-in-law saying. In our house, many demigod is not only. Mangala Arati, Hanuman Chalish, Hanuman Arati, then different, then Kali, Shiv, Durga, Indian system is. There the temple room is what? Many demigod. Taking one ghee lamp, Jai Hanuman Jai. I don't know that. Then going to Devi Kali, Devi Durga. So we doing this arati. But you have to attend Mangala Arati. So now is what? 4:30, 1 hour arati. Many Thakurji also there. Not only one. Then, so now is what? 4:30. 3:30 to 4:30 Mangala Arati. And after Mangala Arati, then we are sit together and reading all Chalisa. Chalisa, understand? And the glorification of different demigod, Hanuman Chalisa, Shiv Chalisa, Durga Chalisa. Okay. Then 2 hours Chalisa. We have to also. So how many hours now? 6:30. After Hanuman Chalisa, or do the things? Now 6:30. Then we also parikrama. All demigod. Parikrama how many? 1 hour. So now 7:30. After 7:30, then have to sit to listen Hari Katha. How many? 2 hours. That Brahman will come, Brahman will glorify this Thakurji, Hanuman, glorify Hanuman, glorify Shivji. So how much? Now how is your 9:30. After 9:30, then again do parikrama 1 hour. So how much now? 10:30. After 10:30, then you free. You agree to marry with my son, you follow these rules. Otherwise no need. But every day have to read Chalisa. Then she was listen. Then she thinking, okay, read everything. But yes. But which Grantha is left? She told, okay, I will read every day Mahabharatam. You understand? Mahabharata means what? Fighting. So that means it will no need this house to make. 3:32, 10:30, 7 hours you there. Puja. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal. So now coming this way, Krishna very serious. Krishna told to Baladev and all the armies. My sister Subhadra, she is not animal, Pashu. Just you also arrange her marriage ceremony, any stupid nonsense guy. First to check the character of Duryodhana. He is your disciple, I believe. But I have to check his character. Stupid nonsense. So how possible my sister Subhadra, she will marry with him? Another things, did you ask to Subhadra? She wants marry with Duryodhana or not? Understand? Then Baladev Prabhu did not say. Baladev completely keep silence. Look this. Then another, who drove the chariot? Subhadra. That means Subhadra, she agrees to marry with Arjuna. So this is their arrangement. Understand this? Wife and the bride go the arrangement. So what will do the priest? Understand? I said one very nice, beautiful proverb. If the bride and bridegroom, they arrangement, they to love to each other and to marry. So no need to interfere. Understand? What did he say? If the girls and boy, they arrangement to each other to marry, so what will do the priest? Okay, just agreement. Okay, you marry, but you have to take your responsibilities. You married, you have to take responsibilities. And very nice, beautiful proverbs. I just forget.
Em Brasil é negócio. Em Brasil é briga de marido e mulher, não se mete a colher.
What do you say?
When the wife and husband they fight, you don't put the spoon. Just for to sound. Don't interfere. So
Okay.
the sound is like this.
So Subhadra, she wants to marry with Arjuna. Understand? Then Baladev Prabhu, very calm and quiet. So then Baladev Prabhu told, Kanhaiya, I know. This is your arrangement. If you, so that is. So in this way, Srimad Bhagavatam very nicely glorified Subhadra Haran Lila Katha. How Krishna Arjun kidnapped Subhadra. Actually, Arjun, he did not kidnap to Subhadra. Subhadra, she kidnapped to Arjuna. Understand? So now coming in this Ratha Yatra, just I also Hera Panchami is coming, Lakshmi Devi is thinking, Subhadra, she should go with him. One day I told, ladies cannot digest anything. If you tell one thing, and if you tell your wife, hey, this is very confidential thing, thus things have happened nearby my neighbors, don't tell anything. Then wife, just after 1 second when you leave your house, then wife taking the telephone and she is saying her girlfriend, hey, listen, this thing happened nearby my house, and this is very confidential, don't tell to anybody. Then another issue also, oh, this thing happened nearby there. Very quickly also spread whole world. Balavindavan Vihari. One day I told, ladies cannot keep anything in their heart. Who gave curse? Yudhishthira Maharaj. Yudhishthira Maharaj, he gave the curse to his mother Kunti. From today's, ladies cannot keep anything in their heart. When Karna killed by Arjuna, then Kunti, she was crying and crying. At that time, Yudhishthira Maharaj asked, Mother, why you are crying for our enemy Karna? That time, Kunti, she told, hey, Yudhishthira, do you know? Karna, she is my elder son. Then she explained this way. Then Yudhishthira Maharaj told, oh mother, why did not tell to us before? We did not fight against him. Very easy to give this kingdom, Hastinapur, to Karna. Because Karna, he is our elder brother. But you hide these things. So from day I am giving curse, Yudhishthira Maharaj told. Ladies cannot hide anything, secret things, anything in their heart. Balavindavan Vihari Lal. So Lakshmi Devi, she is thinking. Understand? Say, Subhadra, she have to go with Krishna Balaram. Male person can hide, but lady cannot hide anything. This is simple. But one thing, Srimati Radhika, then very difficult to know the heart of the ladies. Ladies can understand the heart of the male person, but male person cannot understand the heart of the lady. Balavindavan Vihari Lal. Understand? Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, right? One very nice, beautiful this grantha. That is called what grantha? Very nice grantha. Also explain this. Radha Krishna is very nice, beautiful. Then I must pastime see there. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad wrote one grantha. Very nice video. Understand? And Srimati Radhika, she herself told to Krishna. This is the conversation, Srimati Radhika and Krishna. And Krishna told, hey Radhe, I know everything you have. Srimati Radhika told, no. You cannot completely understand my heart. Then Srimati Radhika he herself told, male person can understand the heart of the ladies, but ladies can, women can understand the heart of the male, but male person cannot understand heart of the ladies. Balavindavan Vihari Lal. Surat Katha Lilamritam. Very nice, beautiful. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad Granth. Amazing Granth. Very beautiful Granth. The high level Granth. Don't you read, then your stupid nonsense will come. If you not control your lust, then stupid nonsense will come. Look like the Granthas of Gita Govindam. But Vishwanath Chakravarti, this Granth is and higher than Gita Govinda also. Surat Katha Lilamritam. Very nice, beautiful Granth. Very small Granth. Are all the sweet pastimes. Radha Krishna, very confidential pastimes in there. Very few people they know. So, time you for take Mahaprasad. So now, Lakshmi Devi she decide, Subhadra, she should go. But where Krishna is going, Subhadra must be tell. And if not tell, direct me. But she must be tell to some her girlfriend or anything. Anyhow come from. This is too wrong. If I tell you, then you will tell to your girlfriend and girlfriend. Again coming back me now. So for this regard, Lakshmi Devi she allow, okay, Subhadra she goes. Where Krishna is going. And simultaneously Lakshmi Devi, she has many spy also. Spy understand? So where he is going. Now Krishna, Baladev, Subhadra, going. 5 days almost passed. This is called 5th days from the Ratha Yatra. This is called Panchami, Hira Panchami. 5th days from Ratha Yatra. Not 5th days from the new moon. 5th days from Ratha Yatra. So actually today is what? Shashti. Ditya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti. Generally people think it Panchami Tithi. Actually today is not Panchami Tithi. This is called Hira Panchami means. Hira means search. After 5 days, Lakshmi Devi, she is going to search her husband. Jagannath, where is doing? Where is he? 5 days passed, but Jagannath did not give information his wife. If husband will go somewhere, you have to give the information to your wife. Otherwise your wife mind will be disturbed now. And especially Jagannath is very sick. If a sick person, go alone, but go anywhere. Wife she wants, what is, how is health, how is going these things. But 6 days, 5 days passed, Jagannath, he did not give in front. For their Lakshmi Devi, she become very angry. Huh? Understand? Now Lakshmi Devi, she is going to search. And she is very angry also. Because love and affection with her husband. So I have to give punishment. Sometimes wife angry and give punishment her husband or not. Why you are so late? Why you are hiding here? Understand?
Who was with you?
Why you have gone? Why so? Because this is the nature of love also. Chastisement means is what? Love. Sasan ba means is what? Love. Without love, who can chastise to you? Wife, she has so much love and affection with her husband. So for this guy, she chastises. So now Lakshmi Devi, and she is going to search Krishna. Jagannath, where is staying? Now how she is going? Very nice, beautiful description. Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami explained in Chaitanya Charitamritam. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu relishing these things also. And this very nice drama is going on. Very nice drama. You can make this drama, everybody is so happy.
They're gonna make. They will do.
They will do.
Yeah.
Will do. Nice. Have to first read, listen, then you do. Or just you imaginary do. That's stupid. Read Chaitanya Charitamrita. How Lakshmi Devi is seated on the palanquin, and chewing betel nuts, and many are maids, summer, and she is going very nicely. Understand? Then Mahaprabhu laughed, joked with Sarva Damodar. Look, what is this anyway? This is angry. This is man. Lakshmi, this is man. Then Sarva Damodar and then Srivas Thakur taking the side of Lakshmi Devi. Sarva Damodar, he takes the side of Krishna. Very nice, beautiful Leela. Kaur Premanand. Jai Jai Shri. Now we take prasad. After prasad, we have to quickly go to next program.
Next program. Next one do Pinhal.
Don't delay. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari. Hera Panchami Tithi ki jai. Jai Jai Shri Ram.
Maharaj ki jai.
Hare Baba.
Programa hoje à noite começa às.
Okay.